Dr. Diwakar Goel. What I should say before talking about the book of my friend Smriti Bhatia. I'm a poet, I'm a writer, I'm a bureaucrat, an advocate, and so many caps I'm wearing. You are seeing one cap. So here, just see the cover of this book. What makes me to speak about this book? You see, as a writer for about 27 books in different languages and different disciplines, having traveled the length and breadth of country and about 32 other countries of the world, I never came across any book so far in my long journey which speaks about chocolates. You may find the literature in the Google and all, it will tell you everything about chocolate. But you see, when I look at this book by Smriti Bhatia, what made her as a writer? You see, I was just looking at it, how much knowledge this book gives you. And every word, A to Z, 26 alphabet, she has related with the chocolate, which is a very innovative and a very dynamic idea. Because not for the sake of just taking up the alphabet and just trying to forcefully correlate, she has related and correlated in a very natural manner. And why I am saying so, you see, when H comes, she has given about the history. When nuts, it comes about almonds, cashew and all, it is coming from N. And when recipes are there, R attracts for that. And why you should read this book? The basic question comes. You see, the Smriti is basically an IT engineer. And I have got many friends, you see, who are IT engineers. One of my very close friend, Shalini Saukar, she is an IT professional and she is a bestseller. One novel, you see, Confession of an IT Employee, about 10,000 copies she has sold within a couple of months. And the same I am finding this IT professional, the next my friend is Smriti Bhatia, who is not only a person who has got in-depth knowledge about the chocolate making, but also about all related, you see, logistics with regard to chocolate making. When you say A to Z, it is not only A to Z about various things related to chocolate, but the entire supply chain management which goes into it. Who should purchase this book? I think every individual, whether you are eating chocolate or you are not, or whether you are into business of chocolate, or whether you are into marketing, or whether you are a person who wants to start your own business. Now, one very good quality I could find in the personality of Smriti Bhatia is that she is not confining the knowledge to herself. She is not making it as a trade secret. She is making it open to all and she welcomes the competition. Because she is giving entire knowledge. There is no secret about her. And as regards the women empowerment is concerned, let me tell you one more thing. You need only start a factory sort of thing. She has a very bright career with the Sapiens, the IT professional, a very good future. But she dedicated, rather I must say she wedded to chocolate. She was dreaming chocolate, she was making chocolate, and chocolate is, when I go to Switzerland quite often there, I had been to the chocolate factories there in Switzerland, Zurich. There is a big market, you see, ETH students took me there. And I can find that in 0.6 Swiss franc you get a good chocolate and all. And which is comparable to another chocolate which is 3.5 Swiss franc. Here you see what she is making eggless. There is no egg. This chocolate is totally dedicated to the people who say we are vegetarian. Because across the world nowadays, now she says chocolate beer. Chocolate is a favorite adjunct to many breweries. There are multiple ways to do. Adding it earlier brewing process during mashing and contribute high quality of deep chocolate. It's hard for the beer. Now you see, cocoa butter, really very unique thing. What she says about the why cocoa butter? See, everything, every chapter in this book says when, why, how. It's very important to have why and how. These two words are, and she is also, when you go to the chapter E, it shades expertise. And most interesting thing is in this book, she is given the feedback of the consumers also, who have eaten his chocolate. Chocolate lovers are the clients. Now you will be asking me, chocolate is liked by the children more. But you see, chocolate is liked by everybody, I must say. And chocolate flavor, you see, you have got the shakes are there. Not only the chocolate, you see, you ask for the, sometimes you see the cold chocolate, you see, you have the various kind of things are there. And aroma, you see, so very good thing she has taken. And now, while I was reading this book, it made me to talk about this book because Smriti has touched upon the myths about it. So many myths are there. People don't have the authentic knowledge. Now this book, and she has priced it so low. I am really wondering about that how she is. It is a charity if you purchase this book from Amazon with the 250 rupees because you see the art cover, art paper with pictographs, with colored, black and white. Even I tell you, with my common sense as a writer, as a person who is into the books, writing and seeing all publishers across the country, the costing must be around 200 rupees, roughly I am saying, because this book is about 100 pages and with a glossy paper, with a very nice printing. I must compliment the publisher also. I don't know this publisher, my book publication, how far they are marketing this book because I could not read any review. I strongly say to Smriti that it's a very necessary nowadays. It's not enough that you are intelligent or you are dynamic or you are a knowledgeable person. The requirement today is that people should know that Smriti Bhatia, she is the, you see, the mother of chocolates. Why I say mother of chocolates? Because nobody in this world, she must aspire for the international market on it. Rather, I am suggesting her to revise this book in a different manner. And I'll be very happy to associate with her venture to see that it goes on the international platform. She has written on the back side of the thing her small biography and then about the synopsis of this book also. What she says about the book would give you an insight about the things you may or may not imagine, how it has expanded to the beautification industry and how it reached on rooms and pleasing aromas. Why are women more attracted to chocolates? Now here as a reviewer I don't agree with her why only women attract with the chocolate. See, men also, you go to this small boy 2 years, he say, Daddy, I want chocolate. The moment they start talking at the age of 2 years, chocolate is one thing which becomes very favorite. You say, why? What do you want? I want chocolate. So I remember when I go to, first time I went to Switzerland in 2006, I brought about 55 chocolates of different kind from Switzerland for my daughter because she is a chocolate lover. She is a doctor today and still she loves chocolate. What is the chemical connection to our brain? Smriti is telling why it is popular gift for the people in love. No, very unique thing. Can you give a first date, you are meeting your girlfriend or a boyfriend and all, you give a chocolate pack to her or him. Why does it make it feel, and that led to the grab it under the stress, and the book would let you unveil the deeper and deeper inside of it. So my words are going in that fashion, and I think with my all friend circle, I was telling her that my message is going to reach about 25-30,000 people across the world because I know it very well, because including my following on LinkedIn or Instagram or Facebook and all, at least I am followed by the people in thousands. So let my thousands of friends should value this book, and nice. And I wish her, it is a long journey. And I am telling Smriti Bhatia that you diversify the things also. You take it more along, try to innovate the ideas to see that how various other dimensions of chocolate you can really innovate, because there is no you see end to the learning, and there is no end to the innovation. And nowadays the days are of artificial intelligence, and she is conducting classes, she is a speaker, she is a motivator, so many qualities she is having. And I'm going to have association with her organizations, and let us see how it goes on. Thank you. Happy lady, and must go to the Amazon. Thank you.